What is it like to have children you don't want? When my daughter was a year and a half old, I unexpectedly got pregnant a second time. It was unexpected because I have pretty substantial infertility issues. I was not ready. I was exhausted as shit from my daughter being a typical toddler and a dog we rescued that needed constant emotional coddling. And hindsight makes it easier to see. My depression was wildly out of control, but I didn't realize it because my panic attacks were not. I would lay awake at night, in pain, wanting to vomit from heartburn, exhausted because my daughter decided sleeping through the night was no longer a thing, and would think, if I miscarried, I'd probably feel relieved, and other things along those lines. And this went on for the whole pregnancy, right up until 32 weeks when I went into labor, and my son was dead, gone for at least 3 days before I went into labor. Despite all the expected mental anguish and trauma, for just one single moment when we were driving home with empty arms and an empty car seat, I felt relieved. I have yet to forgive myself for that.